A scatter plot is a graphical representation that shows the relationship between two quantitative variables. It helps visualize patterns, identify correlations, positive, negative, or none, and detect outliers. It is an essential tool for exploratory data analysis. You're welcome to Learning Express, your knowledge accelerator. The scatter plot originated in the late 19th century with the development of modern statistics. Carl Pearson, a British statistician, was a pioneer in correlation and regression analysis. Born in London in 1857, Carl Pearson was a central figure in the development of modern statistics. He graduated from the University of Cambridge in mathematics and law, but his scientific curiosity led him to various fields, including biology, anthropology, and statistics. Founder of the biometric school, Pearson developed key concepts such as Pearson's correlation coefficient, chi-squared tests, and regression methods. He founded the journal Biometrica and was a professor of eugenics at University College London. Pearson is recognized for formalizing statistics as a rigorous scientific discipline. His work laid important foundations for data analysis, inferential statistics, and frequency distributions. His impact is widely felt across various fields, including biology, medicine, economics, and engineering. Used in quality control, scientific data analysis, economics, medicine, marketing, and psychology. Helps identify and visualize correlations, patterns, trends, and outliers between two variables. Example, relationship between advertising, investment, and sales. Consists of two perpendicular axes, x-axis, independent variable, and y-axis, dependent variable. Each point on the graph represents a pair of values for the x and y variables. Can include a trend line, regression line, to indicate the general relationship between the variables. Elements of a scatter plot. X-axis, horizontal, represents the independent variable. Y-axis, vertical, represents the dependent variable. Data points. Each point represents a pair of values, x, y. Trend line, optional, shows the general trend of the data. Regression line. Types of relationships. Positive correlation, when the points form an upward sloping pattern. Negative correlation, when the points form a downward sloping pattern. No correlation, when the points are scattered without forming a clear pattern. Advantages of scatter plot. Allows easy visualization of the relationship between two variables. Identification of patterns, correlations, and outliers. BR, simplicity and ease of creation and interpretation. Disadvantages: scatter plot. Limited in detecting nonlinear or complex relationships. Sensitive to outliers, which can distort the perception of the relationship between variables. Correlation does not imply causation. Further analysis is needed to determine causal relationships. Additional considerations. Interpretation of results can be subjective and depends on data quality. Importance of checking for outliers and considering their impact on the analysis. Need to complement scatter plot with other statistical analyses for a more complete understanding of the relationship between variables. Software and tools. Excel provides basic and advanced functionalities for creating scatter plot, including adding trend lines. R, used for more complex statistical analyses with packages like ggplot2 for visualization. Python. Libraries such as Matplotlib and Seaborn are widely used for creating scatter plots and conducting statistical analyses. Steps for creation a scatter plot. 1. Data collection. Gather data for two quantitative variables. 2. Data entry. Input data into two columns, X and Y, in analysis software. 3. Graph creation. Use scatter plot functionality in chosen software. 4. Visual analysis. Observe the pattern of points and identify the presence of correlation. 5. Adding trend line. Optionally, add a regression line to better visualize the trend. A scatter plot is a graphical representation that shows the relationship between two quantitative variables. It helps visualize patterns, identify correlations, positive, negative, or none, and detect outliers. It is an essential tool for exploratory data analysis. If you liked the video, like and share. And if you want to watch more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. And until the next Learning Express, your knowledge accelerator.